So the greens at Old Florida are Tifgrand, bermudagrass. Tifgrand is a variety of bermudagrass that was bred specifically for low heights of cut, meaning you can produce faster green speed. Most golfers want quick greens. They certainly want true greens and consistent greens. The Tifgrand bermudagrass was released back in 1999 by Dr. Wayne Hanna out of Tifton, Georgia. Dr. Hanna bred it specifically for maintaining at low heights of cut. So we often maintain this grass well below 1/8 of an inch. Currently we're below 1/10 of an inch. We're at 0.090. But we also have a different grass on the collar, which is Tifgrand bermudagrass, also developed by Dr. Hanna. Tifgrand was his last grass prior to retirement. It was his last hurrah. Tifgrand is a very fine texture bermudagrass. It has great shade tolerance. Another attribute of Tifgrand is its ability to be maintained at very low heights of cut. Dr. Hanna thought that Tifgrand could be the first bermudagrass to be maintained on a wall-to-wall basis with just one strand of bermudagrass. So Tifgrand actually is a putting surface. Tifgrand is a collar grass, a fairway grass, a rough heighted grass. He thought it could be the first one, and there are courses that have been grassed and maintained Tifgrand wall to wall. What we use Tifgrand at Old Florida is a buffer, as a immediate strip between the different bermuda grasses that we maintain in the rough and the fairways and the Tifgrand. So right now you see some contamination here. These were done in 2013. We are going to redo the collars this summer, 2017, back to Tifgrand. So we will actually take a physical strip to keep the Roundup Fusillade combination off the green, and I will dot a line, and we will spray out 48 inches of the existing grass with Roundup Fusillade. We'll make 2 applications, 3 weeks apart, and then we will come in and remove the grass at the full depth of a sod cutter, so a couple of inches. Remove all that grass. Even though it's dead, we want to remove all the rhizomes, all the stolons, remove all that turf. Then we'll come in and do some greens mix to re-elevate the area, and then we're going to re-sod it to Tifgrand bermudagrass with 3 16-inch strips, so 48-inch collar, and then we'll maintain that pure 48-inch strip of Tifgrand for many, many years. But eventually the other grasses will start to creep into it. So it's about a 4 to 6 year type project for us. But we're going to do that again this summer.